In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80d05001. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset the Microsoft Store application. So by that, I want you to navigate here at the search bar and type for Store. Then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store here in this window. And once you have seen it, please make a right click and click on the app settings. Here at tab settings, I want you to scroll down, locate for reset, click on it, and then click for reset again and wait until you would be able to finish. It will mark check once you have completed it. I want you to check if the error has been fixed. But if not, then let's move on to the next solution, that is to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. So open the settings again at the search bar, type for Windows Space Store. Then you can see find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it. And then there you can see next. Click on that one and this will detect problems and it will fix for you. Okay. So this will help you to fix the problem if the app is not working right. However, if the error still persists, I want you to check if your computer is updated or not. So navigate here at the Windows Update at the settings again. And there you can see an option check for updates or resume updates. Click on it and then wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. Okay. Another solution that you can do is that simply check if the date and time you have set is right. Navigate to the time and language. You can see their date and time. Click on it. Turn this set time zone automatically on and then set time automatically on. Close the window, restart your computer, and check if the error has been resolved. So if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.